This is not a move, this is an adjustment. There's a big difference. The UK is one of the biggest current account deficits in the world. The UK has a massive fiscal deficit. What needs to adjust is the currency. Part of the issue of other countries, Greece for example, is it doesn't have a currency to adjust. The real economy has to adjust. Here, the currency is the adjustment mechanism. It needs to fall to a level at which the UK gets investment back again. And I don't think the fall is over.
Earlier this week, George Soros said that because of the current account deficit, a big fall in sterling was a very bad thing for the UK economy. Do you agree?
Well, who am I to argue with the great man? Yeah, but it's not the fall in sterling that's the bad thing. It's the consequences of a decision that we've made. Now, we've got a very big decision we've made. We've got a very big current account. We've got a big fiscal deficit. And the currency needs to adjust. And perhaps domestic demand has to adjust as well.
Wow, it's an ambulance in our live shot here.
Look, the ambulances are out, man.
It's carrying traders from the floor of
David,
London Stock Exchange.
Were you on the floor last night?
I am broken. That's the new BR words, you know, Brexit, broken. Yeah, I've been up all night. It's been very exciting. I'm very lucky to have this job. But the moves have been orderly. That's why nobody expects the Bank of England to step in, because we need the adjustment. It's an adjustment that has to take place. And fortunately for us in the UK, we've got a currency that can take a lot of the flak. But I'm afraid the economy will weaken as well. We'll just cut our growth numbers as well.
End of year forecast for sterling?
120 now.
120.
What about euro?
We are 125 by the third quarter and 120. And unfortunately, I hope your last guest is right, that everything's going to just be fantastic and normal and by next week, but somehow I doubt it.
What about the euro, quickly? What does it
Well, we've
mean
got
for
the euro going down, and obviously the question is one of contagion. Those who, like a previous guest, has said the euro's about to break up all the time, you know, it just hasn't happened, and it's always the euro's problem. No, it isn't. This is a sterling problem.
Which country do we focus on in Europe that could be the next domino?
Well, everyone always talks about the Scandinavians as being the next domino. But as usual, the typical Anglo-Saxon thing is to say, we've got a problem. No, actually, it's not our problem. It's their problem. No, this is a UK issue, and the big issue will be contagion. But I think sterling lower, emerging markets lower, risk off, bonds are rallying. Gold is the fantastic winner because we've seen the SM. Yeah, but these are countries that intervene. Yeah. You can't intervene in gold. The SMB's already intervened. The Japanese are threatening to intervene. Last time I looked at my gold coin, said nothing.
Hey CNBC fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Here you're going to find videos packed with all of the information that you need to be smarter about your finances. You can subscribe by clicking right here and click on all the videos around me or the eye right here to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.